Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the vertical alignment of texts in cells on Google Sheets. So let us get started. Alright guys, so here as you can see on that example table here on or data set on Google Sheets, and you can, as you probably know, change the alignment, the horizontal alignment of the cell here by left clicking into it and by choosing one of these options here, right? Left, right, center. But you can do the same for the vertical alignment. So, okay, that's maybe not the best example because that cell would need actually a lot more text. But let's say you have a text that is longer inside that cell, then you can also customize the vertical alignment by choosing a top, middle, or bottom, right? Like this, or apply this to your entire data set or entire graph by clicking into this field in the top left corner and then select the vertical alignment you would like to use here next to the text wrapping and horizontal alignment. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.